From the bustling streets of Lagos to the royal halls of Oyo, Bode Thomas lived a life that bridged tradition and modernity, law and politics, power and controversy. A brilliant lawyer, fearless statesman, and royal descendant, he left an indelible mark on Nigeria's political landscape, yet his story is as dramatic as it is inspiring. He was a Nigerian lawyer, politician, statesman, and traditional aristocrat. Was Nigeria's first Minister of Transportation and later Minister of Works. He also served as both the colonial minister of the colony and protectorate of Nigeria, a nobleman and privy councillor of the historic Oyo clan of Yorubaland. He was the deputy leader of Action Group, a political party established by Chief Jeremiah Obafemi Awolowo to wrestle power from the British. Chief Bode Thomas was born in October 1919, to the family of Andrew Thomas, a wealthy trader and auctioneer who was originally from Oyo but moved to Lagos. He was a great-grandson of the Alaafin of Oyo. He attended CMS Grammar Lagos, thereafter worked briefly as a junior clerk at the Nigerian Railway Corporation before proceeding to London to study law. He was called to bar in 1942 and returned back to Nigeria to practice in Lagos. In 1946, he became the legal advisor of Egbe Omo Oduduwa and was one of the founding members of the Action Group, as well as a member of the Nigerian Youth Movement. In 1948, he had teamed up with Chief Frederick Rotimai Williams and Chief Remilekun Fani-Kayode to set up the first indigenous Nigerian law firm nomenclature, Thomas, Williams and Kayode on Jankara Street, Lagos. In 1949, he received the title Balogun of Oyo, a royal name given to a village's warhead. It can also mean one who can't be defeated or conquered. He was the Chancellor of the African Church of Nigeria and became a member of Regional House of Assembly in 1951. History has it that Bode Thomas and Alaafin Adeyemi II had conflicts in the past when they were both members of the Oyo Divisional Council. While the king was the head of the council, Thomas was the Balogun of Oyo. On Saturday, November 21, 1953, he became the chairman of the Oyo Divisional Council, the post he held till his death, to take over from the Alaafin of Oyo who was still left as a council member. On Sunday, November 22, 1953, Thomas called his first meeting of council members, of which the Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Adeniran Adeyemi II as a member. Alaafin was in his 60s and Verily was 34 years old. The council members who were seated in the hall of meeting rose to their feet as a mark of respect when the new chairman arrived. However, Oba Adeyemi, a monarch, did not rise with them, who, for centuries-long Yoruba tradition and cultural reasons, should not show deference to anyone in public, not even his mother. Thomas became furious. He went before the monarch and rudely shouted at the king for having the audacity to disrespect him. "Why did you not rise up when I walked in? Don't you know how to show respect?" The Alaafin was said to have replied in Yoruba, "Say emi lo embo emo bon," meaning, "Is it me that you are barking at like that?" And since the new Oyo Divisional Council chairman responded by shouting some English sentences which the Alaafin didn't understand, and felt very insulted and nonplussed, he added, "Mobolo." This is translated, "Continue barking." The drama brought the meeting to an end before starting so. Bode Thomas left Oyo for Lagos. History has it that, when he got home at Yoba, Lagos, he started barking. He barked and barked and barked like a dog all night until he died in the early morning of Monday, November 23, 1953 at age 34. He was hot-tempered and, in some circles, perceived as a bully. A successful yet arrogant lawyer, domineering in both manner and presence. Some judges openly loathed his style of argument in court. Yet, despite the friction he often caused, he wielded a mind of masterful logic. One of the most well-known places named after him is Bode Thomas Street, a major street in Surulere, Lagos. Bode Thomas's story is a reminder that boldness and brilliance leave a mark that time cannot erase. From Lagos streets to Yoruba royalty, his legacy continues to inspire, provoke, and challenge us. If you're fascinated by Nigeria's history and the untold stories of its leaders, hit that subscribe button and explore more tales of courage, controversy, and legacy that shaped our nation.